In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up your pause menu. If you're on PC, all you need to do is then just go over to the Rockstar Social Club option or the Friends menu, and you'll go ahead and see them in there. Go ahead and select this, and then of course you can go ahead and add your friends through this direct section. You could also just go directly to this online tab just like so, and then from here you can also find a players tab and add them through this section. So scroll down, select that, open it up, and then if you have current friends online, you can add them directly on here. But the best way to do this is just directly on your friends menu. You can also add them outside of the game itself if you need, through either the Rockstar Games launcher or from the GTA 5 home menu. On console, you can either use the social club the exact same way or just add them through your platform like PlayStation or Xbox friends list. As soon as they're added, they'll show up in your GTA Online friends list automatically. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.